I first got to know Dr. Nation through the Louisville Dental Society, and I also got to know him well. I would refer patients from my private practice to him, and he was very generous with his free time, allowing me to come over after hours, and I would present cases to him that were complex, and I would use him as a continuing education resource, whether it be privately or going to his courses.
I know Dr. Mark Nation through our time at dental school together at University of Louisville School of Dentistry. We also worked together on patients when we were in residency.
I've worked with him probably for about 14 years. I think my favorite part is kind of brainstorming. It's learning, you know, the back and forth, because you can always learn something.
One of the things I admire about him, I think he's very ethical with his treatment. I don't think he over-treatment plans. He just does what needs to be done to see the case through properly.
When I refer a patient to Dr. Nation, one of the best things about that is that I get a quick communication back from him that the patient's been seen and what he is thinking about.
I really like working with Dr. Nation because he's the great problem solver.
One of the interesting things about Dr. Nation, I don't care what case you present to him, he has that case that he's already restored, and he has them all on his laptop. So you can sit down with him, he'll pull up his laptop, whatever you want to discuss, he can pull that up.
I could always count on Mark for a very thorough examination of the patient and an excellent job at diagnosis with several options for treatment planning for the patients based on what would be the ideal for them.
Dr. Nation does care. He's brilliant, talented problem solver, and we've helped a lot of people together.
Here's the cool thing about Mark. He's very intelligent to start with, and then he's got that passion to continue to learn, and he's learning all the time. I don't know when he sleeps. Every time I talked to him, he was pursuing some new area of dentistry.
We are very fortunate to have someone of this caliber of talent in private practice in Louisville and accessible to patients with a support staff that I know is exceptional.
He's been very instrumental in my education, which is sad to say since I've been doing it twice as long as he has, but he inspires me to become a better dentist just because of his passion for dentistry.